12 UK places that tourists somehow always miss. Some of the most extraordinary places in the United Kingdom aren't the ones splashed across postcards. They're the quiet corners most travellers somehow overlook. Hidden villages, dramatic coastlines, and remarkable landscapes exist just beyond the famous landmarks. And once you discover them, you realise how much of Britain most visitors never see. In this video, we're counting down 12 UK places that tourists somehow always miss, ranked from 12 to 1, with number 1 being the most breathtaking hidden destination of all. Stay with us, because the final place might completely change how you see Britain. 12. Rye, East Sussex. The moment you step into Rye, it feels like you've walked straight into a medieval painting. Narrow, cobbled streets twist uphill between crooked timber houses, their windows glowing softly under old street lamps. The most famous road, Mermaid Street, curves dramatically between centuries-old buildings that seem almost frozen in time. Despite its beauty, many visitors heading along England's south coast rush past it on their way to larger seaside resorts. But Rye offers something those places often lose: atmosphere, quiet corners, historic charm, and a sense that the past still lingers in every stone. And the further north you travel, the landscapes only become more dramatic. 11. Plockton, Scottish Highlands. At first glance, Plockton almost looks too peaceful to be real. This tiny harbour village sits on a sheltered bay where calm water reflects the surrounding highland hills like glass. Fishing boats rock gently in the harbour, while white cottages face the sea. Even more surprising are the palm trees lining the waterfront, made possible by the mild coastal climate influenced by the Gulf Stream. Yet, despite its remarkable setting, many visitors driving through the Highlands never stop here, which means those who do discover it often feel like they've stumbled onto one of Scotland's best-kept secrets. But our next place feels even more cinematic. 10. Lavenham, Suffolk. Lavenham might be one of the most visually striking villages in England. Rows of crooked timber-framed houses lean gently toward each other, painted in soft pastel colours that glow in the sunlight. The village grew wealthy during the 15th century wool trade, and that prosperity left behind one of the best preserved medieval streetscapes in Britain. Standing above it all is the towering church of St. Peter and St. Paul, visible from miles across the Suffolk countryside. Yet somehow, many travellers exploring England never make it here. Which is surprising, because places like this feel almost like stepping inside history. But our next location adds something even more dramatic. 9. Portmeirion, Wales. Portmeirion doesn't feel like Britain at all. Hidden along the coast of North Wales, this colourful village looks more like something you'd expect on the Italian Riviera. Bright pastel buildings climb the hillside above the sea, arches and domes reflecting sunlight, while palm trees sway along the waterfront. It was designed in the early 20th century by architect Clough Williams Ellis, who wanted to create a whimsical village blending architecture and landscape. The result is one of the most unusual places in the UK, yet despite its uniqueness, many tourists exploring Wales somehow miss it completely, which makes the next destination feel even more untouched. 8. Keld, North Yorkshire. Deep inside the Yorkshire Dales sits a tiny settlement that many travellers never hear about. Keld lies where several rivers meet, surrounded by rolling green hills and some of the most beautiful waterfalls in northern England. Just outside the village, cascades tumble through rocky valleys, creating scenes that feel completely removed from modern life. For hikers walking long-distance routes like the Pennine Way, Keld is a magical stop. But outside those walking trails, the village remains remarkably quiet, which means discovering it feels like uncovering a hidden corner of the English countryside. And our next place offers something even more atmospheric. 7. Tewkesbury, Gloucestershire. Few towns in England feel as atmospheric as Tewkesbury. Located where the River Severn meets the River Avon, the town is packed with leaning medieval buildings that look like they belong in a historical film set. Above them all rises Tewkesbury Abbey, a massive Norman church whose stone tower dominates the skyline. On misty mornings, the abbey slowly appears through the fog rising from the rivers, creating an unforgettable scene. Yet despite its history and beauty, many travellers exploring the Cotswolds overlook it entirely. And that sense of quiet discovery continues with our next location. 6. Helmsley, North Yorkshire. Helmsley feels like the perfect English market town, without the crowds. Stone cottages line the wide market square while traditional shops, bakeries and cafes create a welcoming atmosphere. Just above the town sit the ruins of Helmsley Castle, watching over the surrounding countryside. Even more impressive, Helmsley stands at the edge of the North York Moors National Park, where vast landscapes stretch across miles of open countryside. Despite this incredible setting, many travellers heading toward larger destinations never stop here, which makes Helmsley feel wonderfully authentic. But the next place might be one of the most beautiful villages in the Cotswolds. 5. Painswick, Gloucestershire. Painswick sits quietly on a hillside overlooking the rolling valleys of the Cotswolds. Honey-coloured stone cottages line the streets, glowing warmly in the afternoon light. But the village's most unusual feature lies in the churchyard of St Mary's Church. Here stand 99 ancient yew trees planted around the church. Tradition says there are 99 yew trees, and local legend claims a 100th tree never survives. Whether legend or coincidence, the result is a churchyard that feels almost mystical. Yet despite being in the heart of the Cotswolds, many visitors skip Painswick entirely, which brings us to one of the most dramatic coastal villages in Britain. 4. Clovelly, Devon. Clovelly might be one of the most unusual villages in England. Perched on a steep hillside above the sea, its single cobbled street drops sharply toward a tiny harbour far below. Cars aren't allowed in the village itself, so goods are still transported by sledges pulled along the ancient cobbled path. White cottages decorated with bright flowers line the steep street, while fishing boats drift quietly in the harbour. Although technically classified as a village, Clovelly feels like stepping into another era entirely. Yet many travellers exploring Devon somehow miss it, but the next destination feels even more remote. 3. St David's, Pembrokeshire. St David's holds a surprising distinction. Despite its small population, it is the smallest city in the UK by population, thanks to its historic cathedral status. That cathedral rises dramatically from the valley floor, its golden stone glowing against the rugged landscape of Western Wales. Just beyond the city stretch the cliffs and wild coastlines of the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. Here, Atlantic waves crash against rocky cliffs while seabirds circle overhead. Yet despite this incredible setting, many visitors exploring Wales never reach St David's. And our final two locations show just how wild Britain can still be. 2. Kylesku, Scottish Highlands. Far in the northwest Highlands lies a landscape that feels almost untouched. Kylesku sits beside Loch Carn Van, a dramatic sea loch surrounded by steep mountains and winding coastal roads. The sweeping Kylesku Bridge arches gracefully over the water, creating one of the most scenic driving routes in Scotland. On calm days, the surrounding mountains reflect perfectly in the loch below. Yet, despite the stunning scenery, this remote corner of Scotland sees surprisingly few visitors, which leads us to the most breathtaking place on this list. 1. Sandwood Bay, Scotland. If there's one destination that perfectly captures 12 UK places that tourists somehow always miss, it's Sandwood Bay. Hidden in the far northwest Highlands, This wild beach can only be reached by about a 4-mile walk each way across open moorland from the nearest parking area. But when you arrive, the view is unforgettable. A vast sweep of golden sand stretches along the Atlantic coast, backed by towering dunes and dramatic cliffs. Offshore stands the towering sea stack known as Amboy Cale, rising sharply from the ocean. There are no roads, no buildings, just wind, waves, and one of the most untouched landscapes in Britain. It's proof that even today, the UK still holds incredible hidden places. Famous landmarks may draw the crowds, but the real magic of travel often hides beyond the obvious. These 12 UK places that tourists somehow always miss reveal a quieter, more surprising side of Britain. And if you enjoyed discovering these hidden destinations, there are many more remarkable places waiting to be explored. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.